your Windows 11 computer is slow, freezing, or just taking forever to boot, I'm going to show you simple setting changes that take no extra software and are safe for beginners. So first, let's make sure that Windows 11 isn't slowing itself down to save power. We're going to click on the Start button and go to Settings, and from Settings to System, and from System down to Power. And you'll notice here in power mode, you have a couple options. You have power efficiency, balance, and best performance. We're going to click on best performance, but just keep in mind that if you're running a laptop, that mode could drain your battery a little faster. Next, let's disable unnecessary startup apps. These applications start up every time your computer boots, which can significantly decrease the performance of your device. So we're going to right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. From Task Manager, click on Startup Apps, and you can see on this column here the name of the app, if it's enabled, and the impact to the startup performance. If I wanted to turn one of these off, say for example Creative Cloud, I can right click on that and disable it. Just make sure that whatever you're disabling is something you're sure you don't need, and make sure it's not something that the system requires to function. Now let's reduce some of the animations that make things look pretty but can slow things down. We're going to turn off some visual effects. So to do this, we're going to click on Start, and then in the search bar, we're going to type in View Advanced System Settings. You'll get a box that will pop up like this with System Properties. The top box you'll see says Performance. We're going to click on Settings, and we're going to adjust for best performance. Keep in mind that turning off visual effects can make the Windows effect look less polished, but the trade-off for performance can be really beneficial.